So Mom's about to give me a haircut, and then Aaron's coming over, and we're gonna go drive to Anchorage. So this is Ehren, and we're taking off to go to Anchorage. So Aaron's trying to show me this cool spot that he heard about. Here we are going down this tiny little four-wheeler trail in his huge truck. I don't know what this guy's thinking. The trail turned out to be way too narrow, more of a four-wheeler trail. We barely turned around. Now we're making our way back out to the main highway. That was a fun adventure. Icy conditions out here. He went off the road.
Don't hit 70 with studless tires.
This road is icy. Glad he's okay and that we were able to get him out. There's that same truck that was following us this whole time. That went in the ditch. Looks like he's still on the road, so that's good. Have a good training! So the whole reason that Ehren and I drove up to Anchorage was so that he could go to this training. Now that he's gone, I'm going to take his truck for a little spin, hang out for an hour and a half. I'm going to go try and find a cool place to fly my drone while I wait for Ehren. See that big bull moose over there? I'm going to see if I can get closer to that moose. Let's see what happens if I get closer. Hey big guy, how you doing? This moose is literally like 15 feet away. Would it be stupid of me to get any closer? This is literally as close as I've ever been to a moose before. I feel like I could almost touch him. Oh, hey. His rack's really not even that impressive. But what is impressive is how close I am to him right now. This moose is like, doesn't even care I'm here. All right, well I'm gonna stop bothering this moose and go fly my drone. dropped Ehren off about an hour ago. I have another hour to go and I'm kind of running out of things to do. We're just driving around town, looking for something interesting to film. It's 5 minutes till 5. Ehren should be getting done pretty soon. I'm back at the place where I dropped him off, and then we're gonna grab some food and head back home to Kenai. How'd training go?
We're good.
Okay, what restaurant are we eating at?
Pho Vietnam.
Pho Vietnam. So we had a good dinner, we're super full, time to hit the road. We're gonna grab some coffee and then the long 3-hour drive back to Kenai. Got some coffee so we can stay awake, and just 2 more hours till we're home. Alright, so I'm back home safely. The trip was amazing. Had a great time. So something that I haven't told you about Ehren is that I've known this guy for almost 20 years, which is impressive given that I'm only 22 years old. We basically grew up together, one of my best friends, and I haven't seen him in an entire semester because I've been up at Fairbanks this whole time. So it was really great to drive up to Anchorage together, catch up, just spend some quality bro time. Hey, comment below about what you like best about this video, and consider subscribing. Until next time.